The owner of the restaurant taught me this trick that not many people know. That's going to be the best tip you'll see today. Start by adding 500 milliliters of detergent of your choice. Our second step will be to add a tablespoon of toothpaste. I'm sure you'll thank me for this trick. We'll mix everything together very well until they incorporate. Mix carefully so you don't waste it. We'll set that mix aside and move on to the next step. First, we will prepare 500 milliliters of water separated in a container. Then we will add a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix very well again. Baking soda has effervescent properties that will make our mixture more clean. Take the opportunity to tell me which city and country you're watching me from so I can send you a hug in the next video. I'll take the opportunity to send a big hug to Mariana, who accompanies me from New York. Continue mixing until the baking soda melts into the water. Right after mixing the baking soda in the water, we will pour it into our first mixture. This second step of our tip is important to make the mixture stronger and with high cleaning power. Feel free to make as much as you prefer. Mix everything very well again so that our tip is ready. Every day I will bring you tricks to help you in your day-to-day life. After mixing everything very well, all you have to do is take the mixture to the empty bottle of the detergent we use. This will make it easier at the time of application of our product. This product is very potent for removing dirt and grease from your bowls. It's also great for removing burnt or sugar stains that have stuck to the bottom of the pan. Just spread a little and let it act, then rub it in very well and all the dirt and stains will come off easily. No more unnecessary effort to clean your pots and pans. The detergent joined with the toothpaste will make all the dirt melt completely. Best of all, it can remove all kinds of dirt without having to exert too much effort. Our blend has a high cleaning power and shine. This will make your pots and pans look like new and freshly purchased. You can also make it in larger quantities and save it to use monthly. Take this tip and let us know what results you get. Spread this tip to your family and friends so they can see it too. That was our tip today. I'm sure it will be very useful to everyone who watches. A big hug to all of you and see you next time.